Have you ever wondered what really happens inside America's biggest industries? Because what you see from the outside is nothing compared to what's happening behind those walls. Today, we're taking you inside the hidden heart of America, the factories, refineries, labs, and production lines that generate billions of dollars every single day, but almost none of us ever get to see how they truly work. From oil and gas, to food production, to tobacco, to high-tech data centers powering your entire digital life. Every industry has secrets. Secrets they don't put in commercials. Secrets they don't want you asking about. Next, the food factories. Your everyday snacks and meals come from high-speed machines, slicing, mixing, and packaging thousands of products every minute. It's clean on the surface, but the pressure behind the scenes is intense. And then, the tobacco industry. Billions earned from a product that starts with raw leaves and ends up in perfectly rolled sticks produced in seconds. The automation is beautiful. The reality, not so much. But the most hidden world of all? America's data centers, endless rows of servers, glowing lights, and machines running 24/7. This is where your information lives, and it demands more power than entire cities. While industries grow, so does the price. Pollution, waste, dangerous work zones, and a giant supply chain that never sleeps. Everything has a cost, even if we don't see it. $155 to $210. Behind every shiny product, there is a story of machines working non-stop, workers pushing through stress, and companies guarding their biggest secrets. This is the truth behind America's industries. The part they never show you. The part that stays hidden until now. If you want more unseen processes, subscribe and let's